I think the most important question that I can answer for you all and for the people of Baldwin County is, why should you vote for me? Why should I be your next district attorney? I can tell you, we have a brief time, I'll tell you briefly. I should be your next district attorney because I am the person with a plan to restore the priorities of the people to the district attorney's office. And I have the experience, the character, the courage, and the relationships to make that plan a reality. I will, as your district attorney, bring better and swifter justice to the people of Baldwin County, regardless of how rich or poor they may be. I will restore the confidence of law enforcement in our district attorney's office and the confidence of the bench in our district attorney's office. I will recruit, train, and retain experienced, committed, career prosecutors to go into those courtrooms and represent the people of Baldwin County as they deserve to be represented. I said I have the character for the job. Y'all, I was raised in Baldwin County. I raised my children here. I was schooled here. I know that what makes this county special is it is a county of down-to-earth, conservative values. We want people who earn their own success through hard work and commitment. That's me. I am the right person. I've got the right reasons.